What is API chaining? So API chaining is the process of making sequential API calls where each call depends on the response from the previous one. So what does this mean? So let's if there is a request one and we are sending this request to API, and from this API when the send button will be clicked, and after sending if there is response generated, so this is called response 1. And from this response, if we are taking this response as the data to the request of another request, so this is the request 2, and from this request again we are sending this request to the another API, and from this API if that response is generated, then this whole process is called API chaining.